Greetings, adventurers. You're tuned in to the Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel-related. At Traveling Kangaroo, we're all about exploring the globe, one hop at a time. Today, we're setting sail for a journey into the heart of America, the beautiful state of West Virginia. We'll unearth the treasures that make this state unique, from its rich history to its stunning landscapes and fascinating culture. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Let's hop into our first location, the charming city of Charleston. We start our journey in Charleston, the capital and the largest city of West Virginia. Nestled in the heart of the Mountain State, Charleston is a city rich in history and cultural significance. Founded at the confluence of the Elk and Kanawha Rivers, this city has seen the ebb and flow of time, each era leaving its mark in the form of unique architecture and vibrant traditions. At the heart of Charleston stands the majestic West Virginia State Capitol, a testament to the city's architectural prowess. This limestone edifice, crowned with a glistening golden dome, is not just a government building, but a symbol of the city's resilience and ambition. Every year, Charleston comes alive with the sounds of traditional music and folk tales during the Vandalia Gathering. This annual event is a celebration of the state's rich cultural heritage, bringing together artisans, musicians, and storytellers from all around. From the bustling city life, we hop over to the serene city of Huntington. Welcome to Huntington, a city where the state anthem, "Take Me Home, Country Roads," truly comes to life. This bustling city is teeming with attractions that hold the essence of West Virginia. The Huntington Museum of Art, for instance, is a treasure trove of American and European artworks, while the serene Ritter Park provides a much-needed respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Marshall University, the heart of Huntington, is a beacon of education and innovation, fostering a vibrant student community. And then there's the state anthem, "Take Me Home, Country Roads." This iconic song is more than a melody. It's a symphony of the state's spirit, encapsulating the essence of its rolling hills, meandering rivers, and the warm hospitality of its people. It's not just an anthem, it's a call to the heart of every West Virginian, a testament to their love for their land. Leaving the cities behind, we now venture into the soul of West Virginia, the Appalachian Mountains. Behold the Appalachian Mountains, the backbone of West Virginia. This majestic range, sprawling across 13 states, holds a special place in the heart of West Virginia. Its slopes and valleys have shaped the state's culture, history, and economy in profound ways. The Appalachian Mountains are not just a geographical wonder. They're a living, breathing testament to the resilience and spirit of West Virginians. They've watched over generations of families, served as a backdrop to countless stories, and provided livelihoods to many. And speaking of livelihoods, let's not forget the mountains' role in the state's coal mining industry. The Appalachians have been the source of West Virginia's black gold for over a century, fueling the nation's industries and the state's economy. Yes, the coal mines are as much a part of the Appalachian story as the peaks and valleys themselves. Next, we're off to experience the thrill of the New River Gorge. Welcome to the New River Gorge, where adventure meets tradition. This natural wonder, carved over millions of years, offers a playground for thrill seekers. Here, the wild rapids beckon rafters from all over, offering a wet and wild ride that's second to none. And for those who prefer a vertical challenge, the sandstone cliffs provide an unbeatable climbing experience, with routes to test both beginners and seasoned climbers. But it's not all about the adrenaline rush. The New River Gorge also reverberates with the soulful tunes of mountain folk music. This traditional music is a significant thread in the cultural tapestry of West Virginia. The melodies, passed down through generations, echo through the valleys, adding a distinctive rhythm to the state's identity. This fusion of adventure and tradition encapsulates the spirit of West Virginia perfectly. From folklore to folktales, our next stop introduces us to the legendary Mothman. Prepare for a chilling tale as we delve into the legend of the Mothman. Emerging from the shadows of Point Pleasant, this creature has become a cultural icon, inspiring fear and curiosity in equal measure. With glowing red eyes and a wingspan that blocks out the moon, the Mothman is said to be a harbinger of disaster, forever linked to the tragic collapse of the Silver Bridge in late 1967. On a lighter note, every October, thousands flock to the New River Gorge Bridge for an annual event known as Bridge Day. It's a thrilling spectacle where adrenaline junkies get the chance to base jump off the bridge, parachuting down to the river below. For the less adventurous, it's a day of celebration, with local food, music, and a community spirit that reflects the resilience of West Virginia. As we conclude our journey, we're drawn back to a significant period in history, the Civil War. Our journey ends with a trip back in time to the Civil War, a pivotal moment in West Virginia's history. This state played a unique role, caught between the North and the South, with loyalties divided. It's where the state of West Virginia was born, as it chose to break away from Virginia and remain with the Union. The landscape of West Virginia is dotted with historical landmarks from this era. Places like Harper's Ferry, where John Brown's raid took place, igniting the fuse that led to the Civil War, and the richly historic Carnifex Ferry Battlefield State Park, where the Battle of Carnifex Ferry unfolded, helping to secure West Virginia's place in the Union. West Virginia was also home to many smaller, lesser-known skirmishes and battles. The state's rugged mountains and dense forests provided a natural fortress, offering both protection and challenges to the soldiers who fought here. It's a landscape that still bears the scars of a nation divided, and the echoes of the past can still be felt today. And that wraps up our journey through West Virginia. We've explored its cities, climbed its mountains, and delved into its rich and complex history. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep hopping and exploring.